Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, come back with me Deviani Solikhah. This time, I will explain how to configure a virtual access point. Virtual access point is a feature on the MikroTik router, where each function is used to create more than one SSID using one physical wireless interface. Okay, open the Winbox. Connect. First, do configuration internet access. Okay, the first step is to check the interface by using the command interface print. Enter. And it can be seen here that the Ether1 as remote and WLAN1 as IP station. It can be seen here that WLAN1 is still disabled. After that, activate the WLAN1 interface by using the command interface wireless enable WLAN1. Enter. Then, check the WLAN1 interface has been successfully activated or not by using the command interface print. Enter. And you can see here that the flag X or disable is gone. Next, configure the security profile on the WLAN1 interface, which function as wireless security, by using the command interface wireless security profiles, add name, out ISP, mode, dynamic case, authentication types, WPA, PSK, and WPA2 PSK. Unicast chippers as CCM, TCP, group chippers as CCM, TCP, WPA, pressure key, Misbahul 11, and WPA2 pressure key, Misbahul 11. Okay, enter. Then check with the command interface wireless security profile print. Enter. And it can be seen that we have successfully configured a security profile. Then do scanning on WLAN1 using the command interface wireless scan WLAN1. Enter. The scanning function to select the IP that we will use later. And here, I will use the IP with the SSID Misbahul. After that, configure the WLAN1 interface by using the command interface wireless set WLAN1 mode station SSID Misbahul band tugas BGN security profile out ISP. Okay, enter. Then check with the command interface wireless print. Enter. And it can be seen here that the status is running. Okay, next, configure the dhcp client to get an IP address by using the command IP dhcp client at interface WLAN1 disable no. Enter. Then check with the command IP dhcp client print. Enter. Okay. More IP dhcp client print. Okay. And it can be seen that the router has got an IP address and the status is bound. Next, check by ping the IP gateway using the command ping 192.168.1.1. Enter. And it can be seen that the result is a replay, which means that the router is connected to the IP. After that, check by ping Google using the command ping google.com. Enter. And it can be seen that the result is a replay, which means the router is connected to the internet. Then, configure IP firewall NAT by using the command IP firewall NAT at chain screennet out interface WLAN1 action masquerade. Okay, enter. The purpose of this NAT firewall is so that the client can connect to the internet. Check with the command IP firewall NAT print. Enter. And it can be seen that the IP firewall NAT configuration was successful. Next, do configuration virtual access point guru. Okay, configure VIP using physical wireless WLAN1 with the command interface wireless interface wireless at master interface WLAN1 mode IP bridge SSID VIP guru security profile default. Okay, enter. Then check with the command interface wireless print. Enter. And we can see here that we have successful add a virtual access point and WLAN2 is still disabled. After that, activate the WLAN2 interface by using the command interface enable WLAN2. Okay, enter. Then check the WLAN2 with the command interface wireless print. Enter. And you can see here that the flag X or disable is gone. Next, configure the IP address on the WLAN 2 by using the command IP address at address 9.9.9.1/24 interface interface WLAN 2. Enter. Then check with the command IP address print. Enter. And it can be seen that the IP address configuration has been added successful. Then do the IP hotspot setup configuration to create an IP address for the client by using the command IP hotspot setup. Enter. Hotspot interface WLAN 2. Enter. Local address of network. Enter. Masquerade network. Yes. Enter. Address pool of network. Enter. Select certificate. None. Enter. IP address of SMTP server. Enter. DNS server 8.8.8.8. Enter. DNS name smktkj.com. Enter. Name of local hotspot user admin. Password for the user. Enter. Okay, then connect the laptop with VIP Guru. Okay, connect. When connect, it will automatically enter into the proxy hotspot login page, and we are required to log in with the user that we have created to connect to the internet. Here, I log in with the user admin and without a password, then click connect. Okay, remove login, type status, enter. If you have successful log in the next page, we can see the IP address that we get and some other details. And it can be seen that the laptop is connected to the internet and has got the IP address from the VIP, and click properties. Okay. Got the IPv4 address 9.9.9.254. Next, do the ping test using CMD. Okay, open Windows R, CMD. Type ping 9.9.9.1. Enter. And you can see here that the result is a replay, which means that the laptop has been successful connect to VIP Guru. After that, ping google.com. Enter. And you can see here that the replay result, which means that the laptop is connected to the internet. Okay. Then, we can also check who is connected by using the command IP hotspot active print, enter, or comment IP hotspot host print. Okay, next, do configuration virtual access point murid or siswa. Okay, create a security profile for VIP siswa so that it's more secure by using the command interface wireless security profile add name out VIP siswa mode dynamic case authentication types WPA PSK and WPA2 PSK Unicast Keepers SCCM TCAIP Group Keepers SCCM TCAIP WPA Pre-share key VIP siswa and WPA2 pre-share key VIP siswa. Okay, enter. Then check with the command interface wireless security profile print, enter, and it can be seen that we have successful configured security profile with the name out VIP siswa. Next, configure VIP siswa using physical wireless WLAN 1 with the command interface wireless at master interface WLAN 1 mode IP bridge SSID VIP siswa security profile out VIP siswa. Okay, enter. Then check with the command interface wireless print, enter, and you can see here that we have successful add a virtual access point and WLAN 3 is still disabled. After that, activate the WLAN 3 by using the command interface wireless enable WLAN 3, enter. Then check the WLAN 3 interface has been successfully activated or not by using the command interface wireless print, enter. And you can see here that the flag X or disable is gone. Next, configure the IP address on the WLAN 3 interface by using the command IP address at address 19.19.19.1/24 interface WLAN 3, enter. Then check with the command IP address print, enter. And you can see here that the IP address configuration has been successful. Then, configure the DHCP server so that the client gets an IP address by using the command IP dhcp server setup. Enter. DHCP server interface WLAN 3. Enter. DHCP address. Enter. Gateway. Enter. Address to give out. Enter. DNS server. Enter. And list time 10 minutes. Enter. Okay, next. Connect to the handphone to VIP siswa. Enter the password for VIP siswa. Sambungkan. And it can be seen that the handphone has been connected to the internet and has received an IP address from the VIP. Then we can check to see who is connected by using the command IP dhcp server list print. Enter. And that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.